All right, today we're going to talk about winterizing your water wagon. And what you want to do is start up your motor, and you're going to want to open your ratchet valve and leave your recirc closed at first and start draining the water out. And then once you get down to the bottom of the tank, you'll see inside of the tank, if you look in, there's a square shaped hole they call a sump hole. Once the water gets down to the level of that hole, then what you're going to do is pour a gallon of RV antifreeze in it. Let the engine continue to run. Then what I want you to do is come back down, open your recirculation valve, and that way you're recirculating some through the tank so that you're getting antifreeze through the valves. You can actually open any spray hose valves you want if you want to take the cap off and do your spray hose and get a little bit of antifreeze into that area. And then once you have opened it and have pink antifreeze flowing out all of your valves and your back spray bar, then you can shut it down, leave the rest of the RV antifreeze in the unit. RV antifreeze has a lubricant built into it, so it's going to help keep all of your seals and everything good over the winter time.